Hey guys, how's it going? I found the missing piece. It was in the packaging. I don't know how I missed this, but so I was wrong. It was there. So hopefully I can use it. So I'm gonna show you actually opening this up. All I needed to do is take out these two screws here. This one over here. At least I think these need to come off. It works. So I take those two off, so then that trim pops off, and there's like little tabs that kind of lock in, so I just pull that off. Okay, and then on the side here, there's this little lock thing. It pulls out like that. So I pull that out, and then this comes up like that. Now, I'll have to see where this goes on the video card. If I can even use this. I hate trying to pull this out. I should probably get a flathead screwdriver. Where in the world does this thing plug in at? Oh, okay, I won't have to move it. It should plug in right here. Plug-ins like that, and then this extra piece goes here. This little extra. I don't know how I missed that. I kept saying it didn't come with it, but it was in the packaging. And if I can just get this clamped down a little better. There's that. So now it has the VGA also. So I can try that now. Should be all hooked up right. This took me a while to figure out how to put this back on, but this sits, there's these tabs here where this sits on like that, where it like hinges, and then it swings shut, snaps shut. This just, and this has the tabs, just snap it into place. And put this in there. Screw back in there. It's not wanting to go in the hole. There we go. And maybe I'll just go ahead and record trying to get it hooked up and turned on, and we'll just see if it works. I hope so. Okay. Well, let's take it into the study room. It's kind of a mess in here. Again, a little bit stuff everywhere. Okay. I'm doing this one-handed, so let me set this up there. Put the power cord in. Plug that in. Now, this will be fun one-handed, but let me see. This is a Wi-Fi adapter that it came with, and wireless keyboard and mouse. External hard drive there. Get that. And then I think this is the webcam. I don't know if this is recording diagonally or up and down, so this video might look weird. Unfortunately. Plug in the speakers. Now try to plug in this VGA into the new video card. Man, that stinks if I'm recording this video up and down. But, well, now it's the right way. Should be good to go. I'm gonna turn on the TV there. It works. So, the new video card works. And the light is because I got the light on the camera.